van trippers. This week on Scottish Van Trips, we're in England. No, that can't be the start. That can't be the start. So let me explain. This week, yes, Scottish Van Trips are in England. The plan of action is for me to head down to Kendal, which I'm doing today. I'm going to stay the night, I'm going to chill tomorrow, and then when a friend of mine finishes work, he's coming up to meet me. He lives near Manchester. We're going to have a few beers, chill out, stuff like that. I'm sure it's going to be awesome. So yeah, looking forward to that. Following day, we're going to get up nice and early, yeah, maybe, and we're going to head on a beautiful walk. I've scouted it out on the OS Map software, which is brilliant. If you've not subscribed to the OS Maps and you're into your outdoor stuff, what are you doing? You need to get on there and have a look. So I'm going to put the 3D visual, 3D fly-through on the screen just now of the route that I'm taking, but check this out. So basically, you come up from the town here, and you go up over the hill, round by this loch, and then round all the way around the back of the hills here. It's absolutely stunning. And these 3D fly-throughs are so cool, aren't they? So basically that's the plan for Saturday morning, and then I'm going to swing back up to Edinburgh after that and have some family time at the weekend. So I'm trying to squeeze it all in a very short space of time. Let's see how we get on.
Good morning, campers. So, here we are, High Greg Hall Farm, and I've got the place to myself. It's stunning. Now, as you can see, it's a bit rainy. It's a working farm, and really peaceful night. See, I'm just making a bit of coffee. I wanted to show you something quickly this morning, so I'm not long up. Because I've got a friend staying over, and you know, we're grown men, we'll like a bit of privacy. I've added a kind of suspension rod curtain rail here into the rear sleeping quarters. It's suspended up there, and it works with tension, so it's like a little spring. And then a blackout blind, and this is from, that pulls across there. And as you can see, if I take a step back here, it goes right down to the bed height. So if you take a measure from the top of your mattress to the top of there, that's the size of curtain you want. Pretty simple, really. As you can see, it just works on eyelets, threads through. And if I want to take it down, it's just a spring. So yeah, I thought I'd show you that. I've agreed with the owners to do a wee campsite tour. I want to show you this place because it's nestled in the heart of the Lake District, very close to the south end of Lake Windermere. It's beautiful. It's a 10-minute walk to Kendal. Sorry, I don't know if that's a walk. It's certainly 10 minutes to Kendal. I think that was on Google Maps on my car. But it's very close to Kendal. Anyway, I'm going to grab a coffee. I'm going to chill out here for a bit, and let's see where we end up. Do you want to see outside? I've parked in the messiest pitch, actually, where they're storing materials. The campsite's actually closed just now. But when I phoned up, they said they would accommodate me, which is great. But what they're doing is they've wrapped a tap there, because it's freezing outside. It's 2 or 3 degrees, and you can see it's a bit rainy, but normally there's nice tidy gravel pitch stoned up. There's power just there. That's a water tap. It's all been covered up for the winter, and there's a bench, and that goes the same all the way along. These ones are a little bit tidier, as you can see. I don't know if you can see that, actually. I might have to go outside, but there's another 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th pitch, and then on this side, if I can get here, that's more the farm, and up there is the glamping site that we're going to go and see. But yeah, that's where we are. I'm going to do a bit more of a tour later on. Let me get this bed away. So I just wanted to give you a quick spin round because I've been on search for sites and there is a car park, I think it's called Scout Scar, just to the kind of southwest, I think it is, of Kendal. I'll put it on the map. It's on Park for Night or Search for Sites, one or the other. I think people have said there's no overnight parking here. I'm not seeing any signs saying that, but it does have a Ringo sign just at the entrance down here. So that's me just going round it and coming back down to the entrance. Looks like there's some nice walks about. I'd say there's a nature trail just on our right here, and another one straight in front. And there is a Ringo number 37336 is the parking code if you wanted to have a look at it and see if you're allowed to park overnight. But there's certainly no obvious signs right now today, which is the 23rd of February 2024. Certainly no obvious signs of no overnight parking there, so that might be an option. However, for a much more comfortable night and more facilities, power, toilet, shower, all the rest of it, I'd highly recommend the campsite that we're just going down to now.
We're down through this little hamlet of Underbarrow. Oh, there's a pub there. I wasn't aware of that. There you go. There's a pub 300 yards from the campsite as well, which is always handy. It looked as I was passing by there that they do some lunches, so maybe have a quick look on the website and see what they say. Maybe go for a pint tonight. And here we go. This is the entrance to the site down here on the right hand side.
So this is the main entrance to the site. Little driveway coming in, and the sign says glamping and caravans this way. Flatter with no stuff in the way. It's a bit further away from the toilet, but actually there's a toilet on board. Don't really need the toilet, so look at how generous these pitch sizes are as well. Plenty room. All that's left to do is the usual. I've got one of these little level discs, and all I do is simply chuck it onto the floor, just down here. And actually, that's looking pretty good. Morning. Yep. Not going to get better than that. That's completely level. So, happy with that. We're going to get some lunch. Right, everyone, I'm here with Jane, and we're just going to do a quick walk around of these maps. And is there a easy way to find you online?
Yes, we have a website which is lakelandglamping.co.uk.
Lakeland.
The details are on there, all the bookings are on there. This is the herdsman hut.
Wow, look at this.
So each one is fully en suite.
Wow, look at this.
You've got an induction hob, microwave, fridge with a little freezer compartment, coffee machine.
Fantastic. Been espresso pods there as well.
Yep. So we do leave a welcome pack. So you will get milk, you will get juice. There's tea, coffee, sugar.
Beautiful.
Chocolates, biscuits.
Fantastic.
And then each bathroom is very similar. So all the linen, all the towels, clothes are in this pod. We also provide extra large towels and slippers because there is a hot tub.
Oh, hot tub. We have to see this. And torches.
And torches. We are a lovely dark sky area.
Oh, great. So people can come out and see the stars when they're in the hot tub. Wow, look at this seating area.
Just about ready to go.
Look at that. Fantastic.
So this is a wood-fired hot tub, and we do make sure that it's up to temperature for your arrival, which is roughly around 4 o'clock.
Brilliant.
And then each afternoon, while you're here, we will come up again and make sure it's at temperature for the evening.
Fantastic. And this is a nice sheltered area. It's got a little bit of a breeze today, but even here it's quite sheltered, so And look at this beautiful tree.
So the pod next door is the shearing shed, which is very similar to.
Yep.
And then, of course, you've got the views.
And it's so peaceful. There's loads of walks around here as well, isn't there? Lots of walks, cycling.
If you like cycling, once you get up the hill. But yes, there's loads of walks, loads of bridleways.
And from here to Lake Windermere, how far is that?
It's approximately 6-7 miles.
I saw a pub just down here as well.
We've got the Black Labrador. Fabulous for food.
Brilliant.
Very busy, but you do need to book.
I remember when I put some photos of when I was here in the summertime, and there was some buzzards and I think maybe kites as well.
Kites.
Yeah, there was some kites going around.
They were released into the area 3 or 4 years ago.
Yep.
So they have multiplied, and you do see them.
Amazing.
Also, each pod has a fire pit.
Wow, look
So
at that.
we do provide you with a box of wood to set you on.
Fantastic. And then over on the pitch where I am with the van over there, we've got the toilet pod in there just in case you need that. That's got a shower, is it?
Shower.
Shower, yep.
Yeah, shower, loo and wash basin.
Great.
Good hot water in there,
Yeah.
as is in these. So with 5 pitches, each has electricity, each has water.
Fantastic.
And then there are a few benches.
Yeah, I like that actually. Again in the summer, a bit chilly today, but in the summer I was out on the benches sitting down and
Quite often people barbecue. We're quite happy with that as long as they're on the hard stuff.
yeah. And you can see the size of these pitches actually, they're really generous and they're nice and level. So, there's plenty of room.
Big units arriving.
Fantastic, yeah.
So I know with country roads, everybody seems to manage okay.
Yeah, I said that when I was, you've seen the video when I was just coming down the road there. It's quite steep, but if you can drive, you can drive.
The other way to come in is through the Lythe Valley,
Right.
which is the way we direct people
Okay,
out.
yep.
Again, it's a lovely drive, and you'll have all the blossom out soon for the damsons.
Oh, wow.
So the Lythe Valley is quite famous for its damsons and its damson gin.
Damson gin, I was going to say that, yeah. Homemade damson gin that's coming into season.
Yeah.
There we go.
So, and the ridge above here, so we've got Scout Scar,
Mm-hmm.
which is a fantastic walk. If
there-
you walk the full length, you can go across to Helsington, beautiful church, carry on walking, it will take you to Sizer Castle.
Oh, lovely, yeah.
So Sizer Castle has a cafe, so you can top up,
Fantastic.
but you will have to walk back.
Or back again, yeah. Fantastic. Well, thanks very much, Jane.
No,
that was a
thank you.
brilliant tour.
Thank
And I'm sure all our viewers will be giving that a big thumbs up. And if you, as I say, booking details are below. If you want to book in here, and I highly suggest you do. I've been a few times now. Then have a look on the website and get that booked in.
Caravan pitches, it will have to ring for, that's not online.
Yes, yeah. For the pictures, just
It's the same phone number.
yeah. There we go. Lovely. Thanks very much.
Thank you.
Cheers. Well, that was great. I've not done any site tours on the channel before, but I think that was quite good. Did you enjoy seeing round a site? Was that useful to you? Let me know in the comments if you want to see more site tours on the channel, of where we actually are, because sometimes I skip through that and do a very basic tour, but that was a bit more in depth. But yeah, just to add, by the way, there's no sponsorship here. I'm not getting anything free. Just an honest review of a campsite that I've really enjoyed in the past and today. Really am enjoying it. So just thought I'd let you guys know where to come if you're in the Lake District. So there we go. Just going to sit and grab a sandwich now. I've got a bit more work to do, and then check in some emails and things. And then when Ross arrives, we'll get some dinner on the go, have a couple of beers, and get planning our walk tomorrow, which I'm going to take you guys with us on this walk. It looks incredible, as I've already said, so let's get on with that. To say, actually, I'm on the 3 network, and the signal here is great. Certainly good enough to check emails. I'm just about to put the TV on, and it's great for live TV and things like that, which I'm just about to do. that was a bit of a Instagram versus in real life sort of moment, wasn't it? Jeez, I didn't know that cave was on that walk. It's a nice walk, but jeez, it seems to be, I think it's half term, and everyone, as you probably saw from some of the photos, everyone's out. Fun vans in Ambleside, by the way. Ambleside's nice. I don't know. Well, I think I've been when I was a kid. I don't remember being there any time recently, anyway. But certainly when I was a lot younger, I think I'd been once. But I'll definitely have to go back and spend some time there. It looks like a nice place, my kind of place, kind of outdoorsy. But again, if this is 3.5 hours drive for me to get here versus 3.5 hours to go to the Highlands, this seems a lot busier. And gotta be honest, Highlands is nicer. I mean, this is lovely, don't get me wrong, it is lovely. And that drone footage from my walk that you've just seen is clearly stunning. But yeah, I do prefer the Highlands. I'm sorry guys, I just do think it is nicer. And I'm lucky enough to be able to stay close enough to go there quite often. Hence the channel. So yeah, anyway, that's a really nice walk.
Quarter of a mile, show the roundabout, take the second exit and stay on 8591.
Where am I going? It was great to catch up with my mate Ross again. We've not seen each other in ages, so it was good to catch up and spend a bit of time and chill out. So a few beers and a good few laughs. Anyway guys, signing off for now. I'll show you some of the scenery as I leave the Lake District and leave Ambleside here on my way up the road. Thanks for watching, see you next time. And adieu.